In this video, I want to show you how to fully set up your Canon imageCLASS LBP122dw from the very beginning. I have simply unboxed the printer, so I'll go step by step, show you how to connect it to the internet, how to load paper, how to connect it to a smartphone, and how to print. So let's get started right away. First step, once you get it out, is to, take the power cable. And if we go on the back of the printer, we'll need to connect over here on the lower left side, this side of the cable. And then connect this end in your wall socket. After that, it's time to turn on the printer simply by pressing the power button once. Now you just have to wait until something appears on the display. First, we have to select the language. Using this arrow pad and the OK button, we'll be able to navigate through the menus. So I will select English and press OK. Then select Yes. Select your country from the list down below. And now select the time zone you're currently on. It's time to input the date and time. To change the numbers, you need to press the up and down arrow. Once you're ready, press OK. Here, select No and press OK. Here, select No and press OK. Select No and press OK. Press OK. And now it's ready to print. The toner cartridge is already installed in the printer. You just have to lift this top panel over here just to confirm, okay? And right there you can find the toner. You can grab it, okay? It has, over here, this handle. It looks like this. To put it back, or if you want to replace it in the future, you just have to glide a new one, make sure it's all the way in, and close the lid. To load paper on this printer, you need to pull down this front panel. You may have to remove orange tape, so go ahead and peel this off. Now, to insert paper, first we need to move these guides over here. Depending the size of your paper, you may have to move them towards yourself or leave them the way they are. These guides also open up. Take your stack of paper and glide it inside until you reach the end, and then bring this small guide over there. We're not done. As you see over here, if you stick your finger, you can bring this cover so it goes above your pages. It makes the printer looks slightly better. Now it's important to not overfill this printer, and if you look closely, let me remove this paper. On this side, on this guide, there is a line with 3 arrows. Never go above this arrow. Don't fill it more than this line. Next, let me show you how to print using a smartphone. Step number 1 is to connect your Canon printer to the same Wi-Fi network as the one that your iPhone is currently connected to. So let me show you how it's done on this tiny display over here. Alright, so you're going to press the OK button to turn on the display. Once the display is turned on, you're going to press the down arrow again and select Menu. Press OK. Over here we need to select Preferences, so press the down arrow and then OK. Go down until you select Network. Press OK. And now all we have to do is to select Wireless LAN, which is the second option right over here, and press OK. Select Yes by pressing the left side arrow and OK. So over here we have all the Wi-Fi networks that it has found, and you need to select yours. So this is mine, and I'll press OK. Wait a few seconds and it will ask you to enter the password. Here we go. So you're gonna have a keyboard down below. If you press the down arrow, I know it's not very easy, but you're gonna navigate like this. Okay, and once you found the letter or the number you want to type, press OK. Once you're done typing, go back up and select Apply. Then Yes. And at the end, you're gonna get connected. This is a confirmation that everything went well. On your iPhone, open the file you wish to print, or if it's a web page like the one I am over here, you can also print this. So you're gonna press on this button right over here. If you have a PDF open, same thing, you should see this button. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. Then you need to go down in this menu. And over here you should see Print. Click on Print. Under Printer, tap. And then in this list you should see your Canon printer appearing. Tap on your Canon printer. Then you're going to have all these options you can change. So the number of copies, the page range. Let's say I just want page 1 to page number 2. I don't want hundreds of pages to be printed. You can select double-sided if you want to print on both sides. Select the paper size. And one important thing is media quality. If your document will have pictures, I always suggest you select best. Normal is good only for text. At the end, press print. And of course, make sure your printer had some paper inserted and the paper output is extended. The print has been sent. And here we go, we got our result. I want to show you how to clear a paper jam on your Canon imageCLASS LBP122dw. So the first thing that you need to do once you get the paper jam error is to disconnect the power cable on the back of your printer. So go ahead and unplug it. Just like that. I suggest you let your printer sit for at least 3 to 5 minutes before going to the next step. Inside of a laser printer like this one, it can get very hot and you don't want to stick your hands when it's, hot, obviously, to not burn yourself. So after 5 minutes, what I recommend, this is the paper input. Remove the paper from here. And we need to go on the back of the printer first. So we'll just go like this. And here you have a door that can help us. So all you have to do is to pull down on this door and we're going to have access to some rollers over here. And usually the paper passes through these slots. So take a look. And if you see any paper, any bits or pieces that have been ripped off, maybe over here, take them out with your fingers or with a pair of tweezers. If you don't see a paper jam, don't worry. The next place you can check is right on the top. So lift the front cover. Okay, there's a gap here to lift it. Remove the ink toner. So pass your finger through that handle and pull. And now take a better look inside to see if there's any paper that is jammed. Obviously here you should definitely see something in case you didn't find it on the back. Again, remove any piece of paper that you may see. Put back the ink toner simply by gliding it back. Close. And after doing this, go ahead and connect the power cable on the back of the printer. The printer will power on by itself after you connect the power cable, and the error should clear by itself as well. You don't have to press anything. Just start printing normally once again. I want to show you how to factory reset your Canon printer, that is the imageCLASS LBP122dw. we need to go on the display over here. I'll show you in the menus where you need to go. Press OK to wake up the display of your printer. Now press the down arrow so you have menu highlighted. Press OK. Next, we need to navigate using the arrow keys. So go down and select Management Settings. Select OK. And then you need to go all the way down in this menu until you select Initialize All Data/Settings. Press OK. Press the left side arrow. Press OK. Select Yes. And the printer will be fully factory resetted. So it will be like a brand new one, and hopefully if you had issues with it, well, all these problems will be gone. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, but also leave a comment if this worked for you.